and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, we are gonna be talking all about my most epic design mistakes, home building regrets that I have. I also wanna give a huge thank you to Nordstrom for sponsoring today's video. You guys have heard me talk about Nordstrom before. This is nothing new, but their styling services are top tier. They have a browse looks section that you can search. It's like a shoppable Pinterest, it's a shoppable Instagram. You can search looks and outfit ideas that are created by actual stylists on their website. If you are interested in that look, you can click on it, you can message a stylist, get ideas. Hey, I'm having a hard time styling this fur jacket, but I need it in my life. Can you give me some tips? Can you give me some advice? They are gonna be there for you. They can help you out. You guys, it feels like a fancy experience. It feels very luxurious, but it doesn't have to be intimidating. It is fun, it is easy. You can get looks and outfit ideas for special occasions, date nights like how I did, or everyday work from home looks and everything in between. If you wanna take it a step further, you can also use their virtual stylist service as well. I loved this one. I had so much fun meeting with my stylist virtually. Our meeting was through Zoom and I literally felt like I was in the fitting room with her. We were picking out looks. She was giving me tips and advice. You're free to obviously tell your stylist, hey, I'm not really feeling that one. Can we pull something different? And she could put together a whole wardrobe for you if you want to, or just one look for a date night. I highly recommend their service. They make it fun, they make it easy, and super stylish. You guys, obviously it's Nordstrom. They have the best looks out there. They have the best pieces. I've been introduced to new brands that I had not tried before, and some brands that I have seen other people try that I've been interested in that now I own. Hint, hint, good American. I feel so cute. So yeah, you guys, like I said, I will have everything linked down in the description box. But if you want to hear what my biggest design regrets are, the biggest mistakes, if I could go back to rebuilding this house, I would 100% change these things, then please just keep on watching. Okay, you guys, I want to preface this by saying that in our home building process, there are some areas where we cut corners and some areas where we didn't spend that much time just as far as cost. Like I just did not, and Rob and I both, we didn't want to go crazy with the house and get everything that they offered and then not be able to buy furniture. Like I knew for me, like a big part of this home design process was going to be buying the furniture, doing these home updates and filming them. So for us, we cut some corners in some places so that we would stay on budget as far as like purchasing items for the home. So I just wanted to keep that, I just wanted to put that out there and keep that in mind. If you are in the home building process, you might want to go crazy with the house and get everything in the design studio because it's so much fun, but you also have to keep in mind, okay, you have to furnish the house too, and that's a really, really big, expensive part of it. So yeah, that's a little disclaimer. Moving forward, design mistake number one is that we did not spend enough time in the bathrooms. That sounds weird. You might be thinking, what are you talking about? Our bathrooms, we pretty much picked everything standard. Like we did not go crazy. We didn't really put that much effort into it besides the master bedroom. I'm not talking about that. We definitely went in, but I'm talking about Briella's bathroom, Archie's bathroom, the guest bathroom, the powder bathroom. All these bathrooms, we just were like, nope, we're just gonna get the standard, whatever it comes with, that's fine. And if we want to change some things down the line, we totally can. I really wish we would have focused on the tubs in the bathroom and the shower and at least done something special there, maybe adding like a tile, like a unique tile, something different as far as the shower and the tub, because that's not something that we can easily change. We can easily change the sink, the counter, the cabinet, like that can be an easier type switch, but the bathroom and the shower, that's something that's like, at least for us, if you know how to do this and you want to hire a professional, you don't have a problem with that, then maybe this is not a big deal for you. But for us, the bathroom and the shower, like that's kind of like a more permanent thing in our eyes, whereas the cabinets can be switched, it's fine. I just wish we would have added like a really cool tile in Briella's bathroom, Archie's bathroom, like the different bathrooms. And I feel like it would have made more sense with our house because we went crazy in our bathroom, and then you go to Briella's bathroom and it's just like, meh, like it's standard, it's fine, but it's just like, standard comparatively so. Okay, sticking with the bathroom talk, I do have a complaint and a regret about our master bathroom. Actually, a couple of complaints. Complaint number one is our countertops in the bathroom. When you go into the design studio, and if you're in the process of building a house, then you totally relate and you understand me, you get the smallest little sample. You're not able to see, at least for us, we weren't able to see a complete countertop with our selection. We were only able to see like the smallest little bit of a color, and then they gave you a cabinet color example that was small that you hold right next to it, and then a tile floor sample that you hold right next to it. So your whole visual of your bathroom is literally yay big. So we weren't able to really visualize something so large and grand. It was a little bit difficult, and I say we, but Rob didn't go, so it was literally, it was me and my mom, but it was really hard picking it out. You're only allotted a certain amount of time in the design studio. If you change your mind and you call in after you leave the design studio, there's an upcharge. So I really was pressed for that time to make a huge decision of a house that I would be in for the next, like, I don't know, like what, like 5 to 10 years or longer, who knows? So I only had a certain amount of time. The countertop that I chose, I thought had a different undertone. It's a beautiful countertop. The bathroom is beautiful, but I thought it had a different undertone. The undertone that it has is a little bit more like yellow warm, whereas the cabinets are pure white, and the marble tiling is more of like a cool gray toned marble. So the yellowish countertop doesn't exactly go. It's fine. I'm not gonna, I mean, I might change it, but like, I'm not gonna change it. It's totally fine. It is what it is. But if I could go back, I would pick a different countertop. Going along with that in the bathroom, I love the marble. I do, like, I think it's really nice. However, I wish I would have selected a standalone tub. And obviously this is something that I could still change, but I wish I could have gone back and made that decision sooner instead of having the tub connecting with the shower and having it be like this huge unit. I love the look of a standalone tub. I think would have been prettier, but in the moment I loved it. I thought it was really gonna be nice with all the marble. I thought it was gonna look very like regal and fancy. It does, I really do like it. However, now looking back, I kind of wish I could change it to just a standalone white tub. Okay, regret number, I think this is 3 or 4, no, this is definitely like 5 or something. Anyway, the next regret is not paying close enough attention to the lights in the home. Again, if you're in the process, please be mindful of this, because when we were doing part of our like final walkthrough, or maybe I think it was when the drywall was up, I realized that in my office there was no overhead light. So that's something that later down the road we had to hire someone to install, because I mean, that's my office, like I need a light, I need to be able to see, but I wish I would have caught that sooner. Also in our kitchen, you remember we kind of had like that one bulb light, and then I think maybe one recessed light, I can't remember, but it was such an awkward situation that I wish we would have during the design process been like, okay, these are the exact lights we want. Don't install this type of light, install this one. We went with all recessed lights in the kitchen, which I absolutely love. I thought about doing like hanging lights, but I thought that was just gonna be too much because we have such an open floor plan and there was gonna be so many different like hanging lights. So we went with all recessed, which I love, but I wish we would have paid more attention. That way we wouldn't have had to hire out people to now adjust these lights. Oh my gosh. Okay, this next one, keeping with the kitchen, you guys, and I contemplated not putting this one in because I really do love the cabinet color. I really do. I think it's beautiful, but I just feel that the kitchen cabinets, now, here's the thing. Now that I have purchased furniture, now that I have more decor in the space and it's warm, I have a lot of beige, I have a lot of white, I have a lot of cream, a lot of brown tones. The gray kitchen cabinets are very cool tone, almost to the point where in some lights they look blue. So they're very, very, very cool tone gray, and sometimes it kind of clashes a little bit with the decor that I want to bring in. I wish we would have gone with a more tan, a more like wooden accents, a more tan cabinet color, like maybe like a tan beigey color, and then like a wooden island, like the bottom of the island being wooden. I think that would have brought more of like that creamy, bless you Nala, bless you Nala. more of like that warmth that I naturally bring into my home. I just thought the gray was really, really cool at the time. I still do. When I look at the kitchen by itself, I absolutely love the color. However, when I look at the kitchen, I look at the living room, I look at the sunroom, I look at the breakfast nook, it is very, very cool, and I wish it was more warm to kind of go with the rest of the house. But I do love the color, and we could repaint, but I'm not doing that. I mean, we could, but I'm not doing that. Oh my gosh, this next one, you guys, I did not think this through. Our backyard makeover that we did, and we have this gazebo that was custom built. It's great, we love it, it's beautiful. However, the see-through glass in this southern heat with the sun literally baking on my face whenever I'm out there, I wish we would have done like a covered roof. I wish the roof was covered. I wish we could have gone back to the design studio and have them actually build like an awning to match the rest of the house. That would have been nice. Our neighbors have one, they have a fan. Like, I'm sure they're enjoying the outdoors because they have that. We do go outside. I mean, we like ours, it's nice, we're out there, we enjoy it, but it's not 100% comfortable because the sun shines right through and it's like beating on your face. You're sweating. Like, if you go out there to sit, you're not gonna be, you know, there's not like a fan blowing above you, a shaded porch situation. You're gonna be hot. So I wish I would have gone back, gotten something that's shaded. If you're in the process of designing, get an outdoor like shaded situation because you're gonna be baking out there in the sun. Okay, and the next design regret is actually the exterior of our home. The siding that we have, it's not the siding color is not exactly what I envisioned. So again, when you're at the design studio, you get a piece of siding that's like that tiny. You get your like the shades, or what are they called? Like the window, not shackles. I don't know what they're called. Anyway, the shades on the side, are they shades? Shutters. The shutters on the side are literally this big. You can flip through the different ones to pick out your shutter color. So me looking at this and just holding it next to the shutter, holding it next to the front door color, I thought it was gonna look a different tone, but the siding up against the white windows, the white trim around our house, it looks very yellow. It looks like a yellow undertone. I'm just not in love with the color shade we went with. I wish I could have picked something that was a little bit brighter and whiter, but it's fine. Again, it's fine. This is not the forever and always, we're never gonna move again type home anyway, so it is what it is. So yeah, you guys, I really hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope this gave you some tips and advice if you are going to the design studio, if you are in the building process. Learn from my mistakes, or maybe just keep that in the back of your mind when you go to pick out what you want for your home. So like I said earlier, don't forget to check out Nordstrom. Everything will be listed down in the description box. Their design services, their styling services. I mean, I'm feeling cute. I'm feeling like comfortable. I feel like myself, but I'm styled. Yeah, you guys, all that being said, if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification so you never miss an upload. And all of my home design regrets, that it's totally fine. I'm looking the other way. We will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.